Assalamualaikum and hello to the lecturers. We are from group 34. Would like to present to you about our product, which is automated hammering machine. The group consists of 4 members, and here is the name of our group. My name is Ahmad NUBLY bin MOHAMMAD, and I'll be continuing with the introduction. First of all, we try to improve the existing product by doing some research and understanding the shortcomings and problems of an automated hammering machine. Automated hammering machine is an automated machine that helps to reduce the time taken to finish such tasks and have an accurate hammering repetition. In order for the product to be more user-friendly, market survey has been done to ask an opinion to the users regarding the question of design, weight, market price, and safety. Furthermore, the FMA or Design for Manufacturing and Assembly has been used in order for us to design the product to be more efficient. Like the usual process in designing the product, we have listed down some problem statement. Problem statement means an outline of a negative point of an existing product, and the negative point is only big companies are able to buy or purchase the product, and they usually do not sell to an individual. Second, they are large, pricey, and complex or hard to operate. And lastly, some of these large industrial hammering machines have some certain limitation. Thus, we have set some objective for this project for us to achieve. The first objective for us to achieve is to design and develop an automated hammering machine that can give an automated blows to shape a workpiece. The second objective is to replace a manual hammering for heavy-duty operation with an additional function of adjustable speed. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is IZZAT from IDRIS, and now I will explain about the literature review. To further the study of our product, the calculation as seen in journey has been focused, which contains some calculation of calculating maximum torque created by motor, torque force transmit while the hammer moves downward and upwards, and lastly to find the impact velocity of hammer when operating. Okay, now I will explain about the methodology. The first one is market survey. This survey able to help to know the customer need and thus create a suitable constraint, objective, and other required things. Several questions has been formulated in order to investigate the need of potential customers of automated hammering machine. Okay, the second one is house of quality. Product planning metric that demonstrated how customers' requirements are linked to the method that companies might use to meet those objectives. House of quality diagrams are based on technical and competitive benchmarking data and have a design that resembles the outline of a house. Okay, the third one is 2D and 3D drawing. In the design industry, there are many helpful software for designing products such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and CATIA. Okay, for our product, CATIA software was chosen. Okay, next for DFMA. This project is to design an automated hammering machine which is low cost and simple design. So we are provided the bill of materials, product assembly drawing, function of each part, assembly process flowchart, and assembly worksheet analysis for both original and new design. Okay, for bill of materials, the main material used for the manufacturing of this product is steel. The main ingredient need to make steel is iron, which is then put through a series of smelting processes and carbon is added along to make the skill. Okay, the last one is DFM. Design for Manufacturing, or DFM, is a method for designing product so it will be easy to make manufacture, and a set of parts that form the product is designed for easy of assembly. Primary goals of DFM is to reduce overall part production cost and minimize manufacturing complexity. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Syahmi bin Mat TORMIZI. I will explain about the result for this project. The link of this project, we set up a survey about our product to collect the feedback from the people. We come out with 15 questions and there are 40 respondents who respond to our survey. This is the 6 out of 15 questions that we included in survey. Next, health of quality. This is HOQ for our product. The criteria for consumer demand have been compiled for research. The customer is highlighted in 6 criteria to fulfill engineering needs. The 6 consumer requirements for this project are ergonomic, portable, safety, affordable, user-friendly, and heavy-duty. Engineering standard for manufacturing this item include 7 conditions that must be certified for this project to be successful. Material and process requirement. The most material that we use for this product is steel. For example, the material of body frame is steel and the process is hot extrusion, welding and annealing. For switch and speed controller, the material is plastic and the process is injection molding. Morphological chart. After all the specification and criteria for this project is determined, all the data can be extracted into a morphological chart. In this chart, come up with 4 possible concepts from the combination of the sub-function. From the combination of the component in morphological chart, the conceptual design are compared and screened to choose the best one of our final design. This is our final design in 2D CAD design, 3D CAD design, and exploded view. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm SUJENDRAN NAIR and I'll be doing discussion on the DFMA of this report. DFMA stands for Design for Manufacture and Assembly. It is a design technique that prioritizes the ease of manufacture and assembly efficiencies. In this methodology, we provide a bill of material, function of each part, assembly worksheet analysis for both new and old design. As you can see on the right, this is the bill of material for our old product, and this is the bill of material for our new product. Next, we move on to DFE, which stands for Design for Environment. This method is used to design the manufacturing process in such a way that the environmental impact is lessened and how can we be more sustainable with production practices. Besides that, it also incorporates the roles of consumers to also minimize waste. On the right, we can see the life cycle assessment, which is one way to determine the impacts caused by the manufacturing process to the environment and how we can reduce them. The next method is using an eco-design web. This eco-design web will help us in rating environmental impact that is followed by different categories such as new ways of doing it, material selection, material usage, distribution, product use, optimal life, and end of life. This eco-design web is assisted with a color-coded rating system, red for the worst environmental impact and green for the least environmental impact. Now we go for assembly cost estimation using a Boolean rehearsed for both old and new designs. This shows the old product, while this is a Boolean rehearsed for the new product. Finally, we do a comparison of both products. Make note that the labor rate for both old and new products are the same, which is 12 ringgit per hour. And the design efficiency has increased by 1%. The old product has a redesign while the new product didn't go through a redesign. As a conclusion, the aim of this report is so that we can create products to solve users' problems involving imagining, designing, and iterating them. Besides that, we are aim to present our idea to our project supervisor and decide which is the best. Also, it is very important to have DFMA in our manufacturing program, as incorporating these techniques can produce a product more efficiently and ethically.